Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our Master the Art of Safety Observation series, in which we are improving our skills in noting down professional level safety observations. These observations are generally referred as a informal inspections and part of daily routine work of our site HSC team. These observations are intended to identify any minor deviations in our system so we can correct them immediately to ensure the effectiveness of our HSC system. So let's go and see what observations our team found today, how they documented and reported them. This observation is categorized as a high risk, labeled as a waste management and fire hazard. Common hazards here are environmental impact and fire and explosion. Immediate cause here is unsafe condition. So what is the issue? So at our work site, we have implemented very comprehensive waste management system, which is approved by the client. And also we have hired a third party which is certified to ensure that all of the site waste is disposed of effectively in timely and safe manner. Our site teams are responsible to segregate the hazardous and non-hazardous waste accordingly. And area in charge are responsible to contact the third party on the timely basis whenever required to ensure that all the skips are well maintained and clear to the safe level. But here the situation is in the picture we can see that skips are overfilled, the waste is spilling out of them, and there is no segregation at all. All the combustibles, flammables, and pressurized containers are mixed together, which is a very perfect recipe of fire and explosions. Also, posing the environmental impact and very serious non-compliance. Location, this is area 3. Consequences, obviously, the serious risk of the fire and explosions, which may cause very serious injuries, property loss, then environmental impact, and then very serious non-compliance. The client can issue an NCR anytime. Action taken, the safety team immediately reported the issue and notified the area in charge to make sure that all the flammables and the explosive, which are the pressurized containers, to clear them from the skip immediately, and also make sure that all the skips are well maintained and clear to the safe level. Also recommended the training for all the involved teams on the fire prevention and firefighting, waste management system, and work method statements. So at the same time, safety team reported it as a near miss. So a comprehensive level action plan can be prepared and implemented. So to avoid the reoccurrence in the future. All the actions are in the progress. So the status of this observation is open and safety team is following up on this issue. Now, beyond noting these observations, one should have a very good idea that these observations are very powerful tool in HSE management. Basically, these observations are our complete track record of past, present, and future performance history. These observations help us in identifying the root causes if we face any significant or persistent deviation or problem in our system. At the same time, these observations guide us toward the corrective actions if there are any minor changes, deviations in our system, so that to ensure that our systems are always consistent and sustainable. So, as a safety professional, it is very important for you to develop your skills in taking observations of the professional level. So, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.